Hey guys, it's Cam. Welcome back to another design video. Let's get started with sketches and hop into Illustrator.
Don't forget to breathe. Breathe. 'Cause every poison word that's on your breath makes me hate the smell of cigarettes. Breathe. Just breathe. They say that what you give is what you get, but I don't see how you could handle this stuff. Made up my mind now. 'Cause I know this world is beautiful, but you're making me so cynical. I don't see this working anymore. I'm just sitting here killing time. Yeah, I know this world is beautiful, but I barely see it anymore. Go ahead, watch me walking out the door. I'm letting you go this time. So don't forget to breathe. Just breathe. I guess I let you take the best of me, but I just pushed it down and let it be. So see clearly. I hate the fact that
Here is the initial sketch, and then I brought it into Illustrator. I started off with a font that I liked, but there were some other elements that I want to customize. For example, I had these little cutouts in the P and the A, so they're all in these little slanted directions. I really liked, the P's and the R's and how they were shaped, and they were a little bit wider of a font. However, I wanted to do something a little bit different on the letter K, and also to combine the letters A and W, just kind of connecting that. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit to my crazy art board. You can see the little color combinations I have going on here. Really have a passion for making different badges and color combos.
it's like I'm just seeing empty faces staring from across the room, when all I want is to get out of here and back to you. On my way home, I'll stop at your window. I should've known how much it hurts when you still love somebody. When you still love somebody.
Staying out on the weekends, I really need something to do. I'm just trying to smile when all I can think of is you. Yeah, I'm just making my way through the days to avoid that feeling I get when I'm alone.
I would like to make a couple more variations going on here, but I want 2 more.
Tell me what I should do now.
It's like I'm just seeing empty faces staring from across the room.
This is my original sketch. I brought that sketch into Illustrator and started working on some of the color palettes and that primary logo look, and also the secondary lockup over here.
When you still love somebody. When you still love somebody. Think I need help to feel as happy as you. Could you tell me what I'm supposed to do with that? It's like I'm just seeing empty faces staring from across the room, when all I want is to get out of here.
I'm just super excited for us to be here today and to present you with the 2 concepts. For concept 1, we did a lot of communication back and forth and talking about what are some of the visuals. For example, this was something that you're like, oh, I love the direction of how this is bold. This cascade grunge texture is very raw. So still for some of the Afro beats that you really liked about a logo. This is concept 1 of the directions. And for the left-hand side, what we did here is we always want to present the logo black on white, so you see the negative space, and also reversed out. Now you can see the treatment as far as presenting a logo on applications such as DJI on the website or perhaps social media. We could definitely incorporate that grunge and special texture in there to show that distressed look that you were looking for. However, we also still want the clean version for things like embroidery. If you were to do something on hats or crew uniforms down the line, you would use the cleaner version of that for embroidery applications and such. All right, next, this is just a quick board from our 3D competition. I would want to show a little bit of that moodiness, with the darker texture and distress. We talk about how we like the extra extended typography. And this is, again, with a little bit more distress element. This is a color palette where we utilize that highlighter yellow. Now we really want to gravitate towards. All right, so here I just wanted to show the breadth of how the logos work. So definitely I'm presenting this version as our primary logo. And again, digital applications with the texture distress look. And this, for example, is, imagine this on a t-shirt, silk screened or embroidered on a hat. Let's put it on some mock-ups. It just gives us inspiration to see where it can go. Okay, so for example, if we had staff or crew uniforms, we can definitely select a nice gray tone and have that just kind of jump out at you. So that can be on the left chest embroidery, and then on the back, we can use one of the badge for the back. Other like just merch on a hat, I think that would look very vibrant, very energetic, and it'll catch people's attention. Since the first direction was all in caps, right, I don't want to keep showing the same things to you. I want to show you something completely different, okay? So we've got the upper and lowercase letter this time. It's on a slight angle. We've got some movements and kind of direction. It's very exciting. This one, again, we're keeping with the little bit of the texture tone because that's our consents, our communication. It's like we're not too clean. We need that little bit of that raw interaction. So in order to try and take that visually, we brought in more of that rough paper edges kind of tone. So we have the kind of clean cut version right up here. So this is our primary lockup. And if we wanted to do something for a circular or a square format, we can bump the raw underneath. Do those applications for a silk screen shirt of something that's like a more distressed. All right, lastly, we're going to show a couple of mock-ups to kind of bring that vision to life. So I'm showing the simpler mock-ups just out of the Concept 2's logo. And you can still see how much that these applications would pop for your crew uniforms and also on embroidered hat. Right. So that will look really nice. And same for the websites. Okay. Instead of the highlighter beanie, we can have an orange beanie with the reversed out logo there. And again, that will look really nice on a pin for your neon sign on the wall for your studio. All right, so, those are the two. This is the presentation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Back to you on the way.